Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to learn how to draw Godzilla eating an airplane. Alright, let's do it. It's going to be simple, easy. We're going to walk through it, alright? So let's jump into it. Going to go right here, curve down, kind of the edge of Godzilla's mouth. Curve up right there, kind of also kind of on the opening part of Godzilla's mouth. Back over here, kind of around the corner there. So it's kind of this goofy, weird smile. You see a lot in animation. This kind of like curl at the end. Gonna pull up over here at the front for the snout. Curve. Line over here for kind of the top of the snout there. And we're gonna throw the nasal stuff here. We're gonna throw the nostrils right here at the front here. Looks like teardrops a little bit, like curved teardrops. And also, like I said, when we're going through, I always say this, when we're going through these, you just want to get the gist of the image, right? Like, you don't have to copy every exact measurement. You just want to be close, and you're good. You know, like, so a viewer can look at your drawing and go, oh, that's something, you know, vaguely. Curve up over here for the front. Back over here. Line over here. Down. Gonna go right here, curve down, up, over here around the eye, curve here with the eye, and bag into the eye just a bit there. Alright, so far pretty good. Let's put some teeth down. Let's put a couple more teeth. Some are ending prematurely because, you know, they're going into like the plane itself, like so. Cool. And we're going to start out drawing the actual plane. So we're going to keep it simple, right? We want to keep it as simple as possible. So we're going to go out over here, curve down at the front, curve at the nose, and we're going to pull back. And then about that point, we're going to put the other teeth right there that are, you know, kind of coming in at the bottom here, like so. Line over here for, let's just say, the plane itself. Curve down over here, line over here, line over here, and line like so. Kind of like maybe like some decals on the plane. We're gonna go over here to the window, curve down, curve back, and we're gonna fill that in. My marker is oh man, I'm gonna replace my marker real quick. All right, we got another marker here. So where we at? Okay, let's go to the bottom of the mouth, curve underneath, pull back, line right there. Actually, keep going. All right, let's go to the back of the plane now because you kind of caught it there. Up, line, down, outward, down, up. Curve over here. Line over here. And now we're going to fill in that window. Hey, let's take a quick break, and I want to talk to you about something very important, and that is cute drawings, something you all want to do. And I understand when you're doing some of this stuff, sometimes things don't turn out the way you want, right? Sometimes the head's too big, or the arm's too long, or the line is wobbly, or what do I do here? How big do I make the eyes? I understand all these questions, so I made a guide for you to kind of clear up anything that you have. Pretty much all the questions I got on cute drawings, I answered them all in this guide. It is a 20-page guide entirely on how to turn anything cute. Like, I go over head sizes. Oh shit. So let me give you an example really fast. So something we talk about a lot is proportion, and that is the most important part of drawing something cute. So what I do is I go over the eyes and how big to make the eyes compared to the head, and that is one way to do it. But 95% of the cute stuff you see everywhere has the exact same formula, and this is it. Another thing I want to talk about is, and then I throw other extras like, you know, expressions and also cool poses you can do. I'm not going to have this book up forever, so get it right now while you can, and it is totally free. right now in the description. All you got to do is go down, put your email in and your name, and then you download it. So like I said, just kind of fill it in dark. Don't worry, we're going really good and we're almost done, okay? So stay with me. All right, we're going to go right here now. Circle, 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 circle for kind of maybe things on the plane there. And we're going to add the neck. So Godzilla's neck gets bigger as it goes down. Maybe we could try to find the back of the jaw a little bit. Down over here. Line over here, line over here, line over here for kind of the snake belly that Godzilla has, right? He's got a change in, you know, that sort of thing. Curve for one arm, curve for the other, curve for the other right there. You see the other parts of the arm. Let's add something to really make him look like Godzilla, which would be the spike. So we're going to go right here, start with one. A little bit bigger on that one. A little bit bigger on that one. A little bit bigger on that one. Line, line, line over here. Curve on the side of the head. And we're gonna go right here, we're gonna draw line, line, line for kind of the gills area. And let's draw a curve right here for the eye, Godzilla's eye, kind of fill that in. So now at this point, we're pretty good. And don't forget to hit the like if you can, if you're watching this point, awesome. And also don't forget to go check out the really, really cool Godzilla thing, okay? Go take a look at that. There's a Godzilla, you know, free ebook on basically how to draw the head. Pick that up right now. It is pretty much just a couple of sheets. It's like 7 sheets, and it teaches you how to draw Godzilla's head good every single time. So go pick that up. It's free right now. The link's gonna be in the description. Line right here, line right here. Alrighty. And I want to kind of give this a little bit of a story, you know. So we have the plane in his mouth, and we're kind of like, all right, let's have like the wing, the back wing, maybe fell off from the trauma there, right? So we're doing something like that, down, curve, maybe drawing like a stripe on that wing, you know, to kind of keep that going. Let's go over here for the small details here, like on Godzilla himself. So curve, little tiny curves to show scales all over the place. Right, just throwing these little baby curves, kind of curved up to kind of give it a little bit of spice to it, right? To kind of give them. And I'm gonna darken the eye just a little bit, the area around the eye, just a tad, to kind of create more focus around that area. One over here, one over here. Curve, curve, curve. And then we're gonna put a little bit of dark over here on the far end. And that's mostly it. I want you to stay here. We're gonna do another drawing lesson together. Share the video if you can, but I want you to actually stay right there so we can do another drawing lesson together, okay? So let's get started on the next one. Let's do it. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.